In the last video, we had a look at the first path of writing a book, that is, writing for vanity. In this video, we will have a look at the second path for writing a book, that is, selling books and making money from the books, and possibly making a living from selling the books. Obviously, making money from your books is a multifaceted subject, and it cannot be covered in just one video. There are multiple videos on this channel which are dedicated to different aspects of making money from the books. In this video, we'll just have an overview of this process. Most of the authors intend to make money from their books, but very few admit it. Partly because they have heard horror stories of people who were not able to sell many copies of their books, or stories of people who were made fun of by their friends and family. After all, running from the fight is way easier than standing up and doing the fighting. But the problem is, it's not rewarding at all. Taking the fight to the enemy is the way of the winner. And I am sure you are here for winning. As I said earlier in this video, there are various videos on this channel which talk about making money from writing. In the next video, we will have a look at the third path for writing a book, that is, authorpreneur.